Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. I don't have a French lesson for you today, but I have a list of French movies that will help you improve your French listening, pronunciation, and French in general. I chose 6 French movies that you can find easily on Amazon Prime Video and on Netflix. I know that finding movies online in another language can be hard, so I only reviewed the ones that you can find easily. And we start with Le monde est à toi. The word is yours. This one is available on Netflix. This movie tells the story of a small-time drug dealer named François who dreams of leaving his criminal life behind and starting a new life with his girlfriend and son in North Africa. However, his mother, a seasoned gangster, pulls him back into the drug trade. François finds himself caught up in a web of dangerous and chaotic situation. Le monde est à toi is a mix of comedy, drama, and crime, obviously. I find this movie to be fast-paced with easy to understand French. You can hear different accents as well, which is great for getting you used to different French accents, basically. But if you want to understand every French word, you need to use Lingopie while watching Netflix. Lingopie is very kindly sponsoring this video. I've talked about Lingopie many times on this channel, and I could not be more excited about their new feature. Now, you can watch some selected Netflix movies and TV shows powered by Lingopie with all the language learning feature that you love with Lingopie. So you can watch your favorite shows and learn French simultaneously. With Lingopie, you can have double subtitles, maybe French and English, so you can compare the two languages. The subtitles are interactive. This is my favorite part. You can click on them and listen to the pronunciation.
Pourquoi?
Amazing. You can also see what type of word it is, which really helps. Now, because you clicked on a specific word, this is now a flashcard. So at the end of the movie, you can go back to your flashcard and review the vocabulary that you struggled with during the movie. If you want to try all the feature by yourself, as you should, you can get a 7-day free trial with my link and 55% discount on the yearly plan if you choose to continue. The link is going to be in my first comment and in the description box of the video. Another movie that is also on Netflix with which you can also use Lingopie features is L'Ascension, The Climb. This is the story of a young Senegalese Frenchman from humble roots who sets out to climb Mount Everest to impress the woman he loves. He slowly becomes a media sensation and the whole movie turns around that. I do prefer Le Monde est à toi simply because here they speak very fast on this one with a lot of slang. But if you feel that you're up for the challenge, by all means, go for it. Now, Intouchables. Intouchables is available on Amazon. Intouchables has been my favorite movie ever. Even my husband, who doesn't speak French, watched it several times with French subtitles, even once without me. Intouchables is based on a true story and tells the story of a unlikely friendship that develops between two men from very different backgrounds. Philippe, who is a wealthy quadriplegic, and Driss, his caregiver, a young man from a not so great part of Paris, let's say that. This is a classic of French cinema. It's a beautiful story, and you have very formal French from the wealthy man and much less formal from Driss, the caregiver. So it's great. You get a little bit of both words in this one. Le fabuleux destin d'Amélie Poulain. This one is also available on Amazon. It was very nice to rewatch this movie. I haven't watched it for quite a while, and I find it to be a very refreshing movie. So, Le fabuleux destin d'Amélie Poulain, also known as Amélie, is a romantic movie. It tells the story of a young woman, Amélie, I'm sure you guessed it, who decides to improve the lives of those around her while struggling with her own happiness, her own, I would say, loneliness. This movie won numerous awards and nominations, just like Intouchables, it is very much a classic. It was filmed in Paris, more specifically in Montmartre, which gives you great views of Paris and French culture. Le prénom. What is his name in English? It's funny how sometimes really the name of movies don't match at all. So in English that will technically be the first name. So this one centers around a dinner party hosted by a couple for their friend Claude. It's gonna make sense. The conversation turns slowly to the name that the couple chose for their unborn child, which sparked a lot of debate and a heated conversation because of the choice of the first name. The language is very easy to understand, and since the movie is based on conversation around the table, it's perfect to learn more natural French. The last one, Bienvenue chez les, also available on Amazon. I really hesitated to add that one, you will see why. Bienvenue chez les, also known as Welcome to the Sticks, is the story of a post office manager in the south of France who is transferred to a small town all the way in the north of France, which is famous for its cold and rainy weather and its peculiar dialect, I would say, which is ch'ti. This movie explored themes of cultural differences and acceptance. It's a very nice story. It's nothing to be sad about. The reason why I hesitate to add it is because of the accent. The manager from the south has a very clear French accent, but the ch'ti is quite hard to understand. It's also hard to understand for the manager, so it's not going to be only you if you watch this movie. Um, even me, I mean, I know what the person means, but it's quite hard to grasp. But I do find it to be a great movie and a classic also, so I think you should just watch it and let me know what you think of it. If you have other recommendations for movies that are easy to find, there's nothing more frustrating than trying to find a movie and you just can't find it, nothing is available. So only recommendations that are easy to find. Please leave them in the comment section, that would be lovely. If you watch one of these movies, please let me know if you liked it. Next week, I will have another review for you, the best books to read in French. Tomorrow, on Thursday, so this video is coming Wednesday, tomorrow, Thursday, June 1st, I'm going to release my new workshop about French pronouns. So if you struggle to know where to place French pronouns and in what order, this 15 days workshop is perfect for you. It will be available tomorrow, June 1st, so stay tuned. And as usual, if you need more material, you can find all my books on Amazon and on my website. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week for a book review this time. À mercredi prochain.